Welcome to Innoven Foods. Today I'm sharing a chocolate banana dates cake. Naturally sweet, rich in flavor and beautifully soft, made with bananas, dates and cocoa. This cake is perfect for guilt-free tea time baking. Let's start the recipe. Take 5 to 6 seedless dates and soak them in half cup warm milk for 10 minutes. Dates add natural sweetness and moisture to cakes. Pour the soaked dates into a blender. Add 2 bananas. Use ripe bananas for best flavor. 1/3 cup sugar and 1/4 cup oil. Oil-based cakes stay moist longer. Bananas helps create a soft and tender crumbs. Blend everything into a smooth paste. Transfer the mixture into a bowl. Now take 1 cup flour, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Sieve the mixture. Sieve dry ingredients for a soft texture. Cocoa pairs perfectly with fruit-based cakes. Add 1/4 cup milk and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix well to make a smooth batter. Now chop 7 to 8 walnuts. And add them to the batter. Mix gently. Grease oil in a 7-inch mold and place baking paper. Pour the batter and sprinkle black raisin on top. Place a pan with a wire stand and preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Cook the cake for 30 to 35 minutes on medium-low heat. Cool completely before slicing. Dates provide natural energy and fiber. Bananas are rich in potassium. Homemade cakes avoid preservatives. Nuts add healthy fats and crunch. Your chocolate banana date cake is soft, rich, and naturally delicious. Perfect with tea or as a healthy dessert option. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innoven Foods for more wholesome baking ideas.